Have you ever wondered if you can bring a coffee machine out with you all day long so you can whip up a cup of delicious coffee anywhere anytime? Well, today I found out about the KFLOW portable espresso maker, which you can easily get a cup of coffee using your coffee capsules, or a grounded coffee powder. Here I will be trying out the grounded coffee powder version. The packaging looks professional and nice with key details of the product listed on the exterior. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, you will find one user guide. Alongside it is a plastic box, which has all the other components segregated out nicely within it. Once you open the plastic box that has all items segregated nicely, you will find one coffee cup and coffee powder holder. Next out is the KFLOW coffee maker machine. A USB-C charging cable is included too to get your device charged up. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, we can see that the KFLOW portable coffee maker is really portable, with both modules of the device detachable. A transparent cup is located at the bottom for you to use when you are out and about. Press and hold the power button to get the device turned on. A blue LED light will light up. At the back of the device, you will find the charging port, where you can plug in the provided USB-C cable to get the device charged up. Overall, good first impressions on the product. Convenient and efficient design. There is a 120 ml water tank at the top of the product where you can fill up your hot water to get the device to pump out a nice and soothing cup of hot coffee when you want it to. Cool feature. Let's check out the internal compartment within the bottom module of the KFLOW portable coffee maker. Inside, you will find the metal coffee ground powder holder, which has a fine mesh on it to prevent large coffee ground particles from escaping into your drink. Easily detachable by a screw design. Now, fill up the mesh compartment with your coffee ground powder to get the coffee making process started. A coffee spoon is provided too. Use it to scoop your coffee ground powder into the metallic coffee powder holder. It is now filled. Screw it up tightly. Next, get the water tank filled with hot water to get a cup of soothing hot coffee. Attach the coffee ground holder to the main module where the motor is. Press power button on the KFLOW portable coffee machine once to get the brewing process started. You will get a nice shot of espresso coffee in 30 seconds thanks to the fast one-bond extraction technology within it. In a short while your coffee will be ready. It is built with a stable 15-bar pump which has a stable pressure for a better coffee brewing quality. Just look at my coffee being made with the machine. Here I have it pre-mixed with milk. It feels warm and soothing. Can't wait to try it out. The device is super easy to operate. You can get a good cup of coffee anywhere, anytime in 4 steps. That is what I find really special about this innovation. All parts of the device is easily detachable and washable. I can get all the equipment cleaned effectively without hassle. Once you have finished using the product, you can charge it up seamlessly when plugged in. The LED indicator will flash signaling it's charging. On a full charge, you can get up to 30 to 50 cups of coffee. Sufficient for me throughout the week when I'm out and about. Overall, I find the KFLOW portable coffee machine a really good innovation for people who love to drink coffee like me and are constantly out and about. Now I can get a good cup of coffee anywhere, anytime. Check out the product with the link in description. Thank you for watching.